I'm Brittany and welcome back to another historical cooking video. And today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Instead of going into the history of one of the ingredients in this recipe, I am going to be telling you more about what historical cookbooks look like. So for this, you're going to need egg yolks, 4 to 5 egg yolks. You're also going to need sugar, about a 1/4 pound of sugar, a 1/4 pound or 1 stick of butter, an orange zest, half an orange, and the juice from 1 orange. And if you haven't figured it out, we're going to be making a pudding today. Specifically, we're going to be making an orange pudding, and I had to figure out, are we talking an English pudding or an American pudding, like from the Jell-O box? And this is going to be an American pudding, like from the Jell-O box. Is the original recipe in the middle, and this is what you expect to see in any kind of old historical cookbook. However, that wasn't always the case. Here are recipes for dying wool, for instance. And that was the real point of a lot of these older cookbooks. They were also manuals for how to do things around the house, dyeing your own yarn, how to care for your garden. And lots of people also put newspaper clippings in here. This has one about how to care for your orchids, how to steer cattle, and how to drive away rats even. I'll be honest, I'm probably not going to try the steering of the cattle one. But I do hope to try the wool one. I just need to find the ingredients I need, which might be a little tricky. But here I am mixing up the pudding right now, and I should have read the recipe twice because I was supposed to cream the butter and sugar first before adding in the rest of the ingredients. Also, too, an interesting note, a lot of these books don't always give precise measurements or temperatures. It just said bake. So I chose 350 because most baked goods go at 350. I picked an oven-safe pan, and when I pulled it out, initially the fats had separated, so I had to mix things up a little bit. And then I let it cool down. The pudding itself turned out quite well. It was thick, it was creamy, and had a nice orange zip to it. I'm not sure if I did 100% correctly. It might be one of those things I have to try again. And I'm glad that I had a kitchen scale to help weigh everything out. So I hope you'll join me for the next cookbook adventure.